Hey everybody, Ian coming to you today from the Touratech showroom here in downtown Seattle, and we're going to be talking about the Touratech replacement spring kits for the water-cooled R1200GS and GS Adventure. If you're looking for a great way to increase the performance of your motorcycle without spending the money on a full set of replacement shocks, these spring kits are exactly what you want. These spring kits are made for us by Hyper Pro. They're all progressively wound springs, as you can see here. And we actually have over 30 different options available depending on how your bike was equipped from the factory. If you have a standard GS Adventure, we can get springs that'll keep it at the stock height but be stiffer for your weight. If you have a 1200 GS, same thing, we can keep it stock height, or we can actually lower it 0.8 of an inch to get your feet a little bit closer to the ground. Again, these are progressively wound springs, and the way that we use them to lower the bike is by having a two-stage spring that you can see here. This very soft section bottoms out with the weight of the motorcycle applied to it, and that's how we lower the bike 0.8 of an inch. That way you don't need any modifications to the shocks. It's just changing the springs and you're good to go. If you want to learn more about this product, visit the Touratech-USA.com website and check it out. Give us a call if you have any questions.